Welcome you all to today's class, children. This is 5th standard English, the Bishop's Candlesticks, part 1. You are going to learn in this class. Okay, let us move to the class with a short story. It was the beginning of the rainy season. A sparrow was searching for a better place to make its nest. It was asking the old tree to give the place for making its nest. But the old tree refused. So the sparrow asked another tree for making its nest. The another tree gave place to make the nest for the sparrow. And the sparrow laid its eggs and hatches them. It was happy with its little sparrows. And one day the flood was severe and the old tree was taken away by the flood. When the sparrow said, the old tree, "You did not give me any place to make my nest, so only were taken by the flood. You did not have any helping tendency." But the old tree said, "Poor sparrow, I know that I am becoming weaker, so only I did not give any place for you to make nest. If I give any place, you will be dying with your family and little chicks." Then the little sparrow realized its mistake. So this is the story, children. Let us move on to today's class, the Bishop's Candlesticks. The characters are the bishop, the convict, and the person. She is the sister of bishop, okay, and sergeant. Sergeant is policeman and the victim is Jean Valjean. Okay, children, let us see something about the author, Victor Hugo. He was born on 1802 and passed away on 1885. He was a French writer. The famous works of Victor Hugo are Les Miserables and The Hunchback of Notre Dame. This part is taken from Les Miserables. It was a fine day. The bishop was at his home. It was a night. He saw that the door was slightly opened and the man was entering his house. The man said that he was a convict and he was threatening the bishop to give him some supper. Convict means a person who has been sent to jail for a crime. And the man introduced himself as Jean Valjean. He threatened him, but the bishop did not worry about his threatening. Instead of that, he happily invited him for the dinner. He arranged the dinner with silver plates. He has been treated well. His sister arranged dinner for him. He shoves the bread. He pushes the bread hurriedly and he gulps the juices. Having everything hurriedly, having eaten everything hurriedly. And the bishop said to his sister to arrange bed for him. His sister made a very beautiful and neat bed for the convict. He slept for some hours. After some hours, he was not feeling to sleep. But he thought of the silver plates. He was served dinner with silver plates. He was thinking about the 6 silver plates on the dining table. He thought to steal the 6 silver plates and sell them in the market. The money which he got from that will be used for some other business. So he stole all the plates. Okay, children, let us see another part of the lesson in the next class. Try to answer the question, who was Jean Valjean? Hope you do have understood. Let us see the part 2 in the next class. Until you try to find the remaining part of the story.